Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discussing bridge rectifier. Composition of 4 diodes which are configured in this shape that 2 cathodes are connected together, 2 anodes are connected together. Both common anode point will provide negative voltage, cathode points will provide positive voltage, and these 2 points will used for AC input terminal. Input, output, positive, negative. It may be connected in this shape. When we apply AC signal, this is positive going peak and like this. We know both lines are opposite to each other. When this end is positive, same time this end is negative. When this end is positive, this diode will forward bias, we will receive positive peak. And this end is at that time negative at cathode, it will provide this peak. Now this is first half. When the sine wave will change, this end is now negative and this end is now positive. This negative peak will reach to this line and positive peak will reach to this line. So in a complete sine wave signal, we will receive positive and negative output at the output terminals. Here is 50 Hz frequency. Output frequency will double because we are receiving 2 time pulses in one cycle. If you see this bridge rectifier, it is 4 terminal component molded pack. Bridge rectifier can be made by 4 diodes on a PCB or it can be used as a molded pack. If you check its pin out, one side with cut angle, that is indication for positive terminal, it is index mark. Opposite to index mark, this end, that is negative terminal. Center 2 points are AC input terminal. If it is in square shape, cut will indicate positive terminal, opposite to cut negative, and these 2 terminals for AC input terminal. This is heat sink mounted type. Sometimes we see symbol like this. Either we are using discrete component based bridge rectifier or molded pack, test procedure will remain same. It may be in any shape. Set multimeter to diode. We know when we connect black lead at cathode, red lead at anode, this diode will forward bias. This diode will forward bias. In this condition, this point is positive terminal and these are AC input terminals. Let's connect same way here. Black lead at positive terminal with index mark. One diode, second diode forward voltage. Now connect at this point, 0.972. I connected black lead at positive terminal, red lead at negative terminal. Now we have 2 paths for the current. The first, this diode and this diode in series. This diode and this diode in series. So we have 2 diodes series with 2 diodes in parallel. Series parallel diode, so that is providing 0.97 volts. This voltage. Now red lead at positive terminal, black at AC input terminal, open circuits. Swap the leads. Black lead at negative terminal, red at AC input terminal, open circuit. Swap the leads. Red lead at negative terminal, black at AC input terminal. Here the same way, 2 diode drop, series parallel connection. This is a good indication for a bridge rectifier. If we receive continuity at any 2 points in this condition, other than diode drop voltage, that time that bridge rectifier is damaged. And swap the leads. If we are receiving continuity in this way, that both side continuity between DC output terminal and AC output terminal, that bridge rectifier is damaged. If we connect multimeter here, we don't find any continuity at this point. That means this diode is damaged, or we are not receiving continuity here, forward voltage here, that diode is damaged. If we connect red lead here, we find open circuit here, this diode is damaged. We find open circuit here, this diode is damaged. Or if we find continuity, 0 volt, 0 resistance, that time that diode is short circuited. Each bridge rectifier have current rating and reverse blocking voltage rating. It is CBJ3510. If we check its data sheet, it is 35 ampere 1000 volt. So its average forward current is 35 ampere. If we cannot find this bridge rectifier in molded bag, then we can use discrete diodes with same current rating. That can work. If we find continuity like here we are receiving low voltage. This is a good bridge rectifier, and this one is damaged bridge rectifier. If we set to continuity or resistance, it will give low resistance or it will give buzzer sound. In this way we can verify the function of bridge rectifier. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button. If you have any question, please write in the comments. Thanks for watching. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.